RAMP stock predictions and Liveramp Holdings analysis for tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to break down exactly how I'm going to trade and play RAMP as the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos of seeing what's making me money and what's not. And it's taken me 5 years to come to this point. And unironically, RAMP is just like a decent bullish market. I mean, I like this. 20% up is great performance, and I can definitely tell you that I do see this thing definitely maybe having the power to break through some recent highs here, which I'm not going to assume, but I'm definitely open-minded for these long side opportunities, especially because I've seen this today. So current range, we have it from these lows to that top. And the only way that I'm going to be willing to buy is if in these corrections that we're currently getting, I see some sort of a double break, right? And if I don't see that, then it's just no way that I'm buying. So I'm just saying rules must be met, because if they're not, there's no way I'm getting involved and buying more. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye.